Local news for Wednesday the 7th of August. An art exhibition called Tua Manako opens at Greytown Library on the 11th of this month. The exhibition has taken submissions from under 18-year-olds to mark this year's 74th anniversary of the nuclear attacks on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. It will run from the 11th to the 17th of August. Carterton will tonight host its information evening for prospective candidates for the likes of council, the night being held at the Event Centre at 7pm. Wairarapa's premier creativity, arts and cultural festival, Kokomai, will return in October for 10 days. Wairarapa Arts Festival Chair Joe Beetham says this year's festival is more user-friendly for festival goers. We've taken on board feedback from previous years about clashing performances on key nights during the festival. Kokomai is a bit more boutique this time round, and they're super excited about the lineup when a world-class international, national and local artists and performers providing exceptional performances. In sport, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush have beaten the New Zealand Army in emphatic style last night, winning 53 points to 10, and Wairarapa United play tonight at Wakefield Park, away to Wellington Olympic in a catch-up game. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.